Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Emma, and today we are going to talk about visiting a friend.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi Emma, how are you today?
Hi, Daniel. I am very good. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking.
That is great to hear.
Emma, do you like visiting your friends?
Yes, I do. I like visiting my friends very much
Why do you like visiting your friends?
because I enjoy spending time with them.
That sounds nice.
Yes, we talk, laugh, and have fun together.
How often do you visit your friends?
I usually visit my friends on weekends.
Do you visit them every weekend?
Not every weekend, but many weekends.
That sounds fun.
Yes, it is always enjoyable.
Do your friends live near your house?
Some of them do. Others live a little far away.
How do you travel to their homes?
Sometimes I walk, sometimes I take a bus.
That is interesting.
What about you, Daniel?
I also like visiting my friends.
When do you usually visit them?
I usually visit them in the evening
Why in the evening?
because I finish my work during the day.
That makes sense.
Last week, I visited my friend Alex.
Oh, really?
Yes,
How was your visit?
it was very nice. What did you do there? We talked about many things.
Like what?
We talked about work, hobbies, and movies.
That sounds interesting.
Yes, we also drank tea together.
I love drinking tea with friends.
Me too.
Did you eat anything?
Yes, my friend made sandwiches.
Wow, that sounds delicious.
They were very tasty.
I enjoy homemade food.
Me too.
Do you usually take a gift when you visit a friend?
Sometimes I do.
What kind of gift?
I usually bring chocolates or cookies.
That is very kind.
Thank you.
I also like bringing small gifts.
What do you usually bring?
Flowers, snacks, or fruit.
Those are nice gifts.
Thank you.
Do your friends visit your house too?
Yes, they do.
What do you do when they visit?
I offer them tea or juice.
That is very welcoming.
Thank you.
Do you clean your house before they come?
Yes, always.
Me too.
I want my home to look nice.
That is true.
Friends feel comfortable in a clean home.
I agree.
What is your favorite thing about visiting a friend?
My favorite thing is having good conversations.
That sounds nice.
What is your favorite thing?
Spending time together and making memories.
I like that answer.
Thank you. Sometimes I play games with my friends.
What games do you play?
Board games and card games.
That sounds fun.
It really is. I like watching movies with my friends.
What kind of movies?
Comedy movies.
I like comedy movies too.
They make me laugh.
Me too. What about our listeners? Yes. What about you?
Do you like visiting your friends?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to hear from you.
Emma, let's teach some useful English words.
Great idea.
The word visit means going to see someone.
Example sentence. I visit my friend on Saturday.
Very good.
Another word is guest.
A guest is a person who comes to your home.
Example sentence. We have a guest today.
Excellent.
Another useful word is host.
A host welcomes people.
Example sentence. Emma is a good host.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Let's learn a useful sentence.
Okay.
Thank you for inviting me.
Many people use this sentence.
Example.
Thank you for
Let's learn pronunciation.
Great.
The word friend is pronounced as one syllable,
Friend.
not free end.
Just friend.
Very nice.
Daniel, visiting friends is important
Why do you think so?
because friends support us.
That is true.
Friends make life happier.
I agree completely.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you for supporting our channel.
We really appreciate it.
Emma, what makes a good friend?
A good friend is kind and honest.
I agree.
A good friend also listens carefully.
That is important.
Yes, it is.
What do you do when a friend is sad?
I listen and try to help.
That is very kind.
Thank you.
I do the same.
Friends should help each other.
Absolutely.
What about our listeners?
What qualities do you like in a friend?
Please tell us in the comments.
We enjoy reading your answers.
Yes, we do.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
We talked about visiting a friend.
We also learned new English words and sentences.
Thank you everyone for listening.
We hope you learned something new today.
Keep practicing English every day.
Little by little, your English will improve.
See you in the next episode.
Take care and keep learning.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.